In this video, we'll be reviewing the 5 hottest AI tools of the week. From enhanced language models to advanced robotics, image generation powerhouses to video segmentation breakthroughs, and revolutionary stock analytics, these tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive in and check out what these latest AI tools are all about. First up, we have Gemini 1.5. The latest iteration of Google's language model. This AI powerhouse is making waves with its impressive capabilities. One of the coolest things about Gemini 1.5 is its ability to handle a massive amount of information, up to 1 million tokens. That's like being able to process an entire book in one go. This could be incredibly useful for tasks that require understanding large amounts of information, like research or data analysis. Imagine being able to have a conversation with an AI that remembers everything you've said, even if it was hours ago. It's like talking to a super smart friend who never forgets anything. This level of context understanding could revolutionize how we interact with AI assistants. Another cool feature of Gemini 1.5 is its improved efficiency. It uses a mixture of experts architecture, which is a fancy way of saying it's really good at figuring out which parts of its brain to use for different tasks. This makes it faster and more efficient than previous versions. Google is currently testing Gemini 1.5 with a select group of developers and companies. They're being cautious about its release, which is probably a good thing. As much as I'm excited about the potential of this AI, it's important to make sure it's safe and reliable before it's widely available. Next up, we have Danelfin, an AI-powered stock analytics platform that's changing the game for investors. Danelfin uses AI to analyze over 10,000 features per stock every day. It then gives each stock an AI score that predicts how likely it is to beat the market over the next 3 months. The lower the score, the better the chances of success. What's really interesting is how well this system seems to work. According to Danelfin, stocks with the highest AI scores, 1010, have historically outperformed the market by an average of 14.69% after 3 months. That's a pretty impressive track record. One thing I really appreciate about Danelfin is its focus on transparency. They use something called explainable AI, which means they're open about how their AI makes its decisions. In a world where AI can sometimes feel like a black box, this transparency is refreshing. While Danelfin sounds promising, it's important to remember that no investment tool is perfect. The stock market can be unpredictable, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. But for those looking to make more informed investment decisions, Danelfin could be a valuable tool in their arsenal. Moving on, we have Figure 2, an advanced humanoid robot that's pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Figure 2 is the latest creation from Figure, a company that's backed by some big names in tech, including OpenAI. This robot is designed to help with all sorts of tasks in places like factories, warehouses, and stores. It can lift up to 20 kilograms, that's about 44 pounds, and has joints that can move in ways that are similar to, or even better than, human joints. Its knee can bend 135 degrees, which is almost as much as a human knee. The hands of Figure 2 are particularly impressive. They've been redesigned to be more human-like, with smooth finger movements and the ability to handle delicate objects. This could be really useful for tasks that require a gentle touch, like assembling small electronics or handling fragile items. Figure 2 is also fast and efficient. It's expected to be able to walk faster than its predecessor, which could move at 1.2 meters per second. That's about as fast as a brisk human walk. What I find really interesting about Figure 2 is how it combines physical capabilities with advanced AI. The robot uses AI models from OpenAI to understand its environment and make decisions. This means it can adapt to new situations and learn new tasks, making it much more versatile than traditional industrial robots. The fourth AI innovation is SAM2, which stands for Segment Anything Model 2. This is a new AI model from Meta, the company that owns Facebook, that's all about understanding images and videos. SAM2 is designed to identify and outline specific objects in images and videos. This might sound simple, but it's actually a really complex task for computers. It can work with both images and videos. It can track objects as they move around in a video, even if they get hidden behind something else for a while. This is a big step forward from the original SAM, which only worked with still images. SAM 2 is also really fast. It can process about 44 frames of video every second, which is quick enough to work in real time. This means it could be used for things like helping self-driving cars understand their surroundings or assisting in live video editing. Another impressive feature of SAM 2 is its ability to handle really long videos. It can work with videos that are up to 1 million tokens long. In simple terms, that's about an hour of video, which is much longer than most AI models can handle. Meta has made SAM 2 available for other researchers and developers to use and build upon. This is part of their commitment to open science, which means sharing their discoveries to help advance the field of AI as a whole. So what could SAM 2 be used for? The possibilities are pretty wide-ranging. It could help with things like video editing, making special effects easier to apply. It could be used in scientific research, like tracking cells under a microscope. Or it could be used to help visually impaired people understand what's in images or videos. Last but not least, we have FluxOne, a new AI model for generating images from text descriptions. This tool comes from a company called Black Forest Labs, which was started by some of the people who created Stable Diffusion, another popular image generation AI. FluxOne is actually a family of 3 different models, each designed for different uses. There's FluxOne Pro, which is the most powerful version, but is only available through an API. Then there's FluxOne Dev, which is open for anyone to use for non-commercial projects. Finally, there's FluxOne Schnell, which is the fastest version and is designed for personal use. What makes FluxOne stand out is its ability to create high-quality images that match the text descriptions really well. It can handle a wide range of styles and sizes of images, which makes it versatile for different kinds of projects. One of the best things about FluxOne is how it's built. It uses some advanced AI techniques that allow it to generate images more efficiently than many other models. This means it can create high-quality images faster and with less computing power. As someone who likes to dabble in digital art, I'm particularly excited about the potential of FluxOne. It could be a powerful tool for sparking creativity and helping to visualize ideas quickly. And because some versions of it are open for anyone to use, it could lead to some really interesting projects from artists and developers around the world. These 5 AI tools represent some of the most exciting developments in AI technology. From language processing to robotics, stock analysis to image understanding and generation, they show just how diverse and impactful AI can be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the AI Tool Talk channel and leave a comment letting us know which of these tools you find most interesting.